Hi everyone, in this video we are actually looking forward to create a new sub account in GoHighLevel. For that purpose you actually need to switch to agency view. So we are in agency view and go to sub accounts and create new sub account. And for this purpose, for this sub account, I'm actually going with the blank snapshot. Select and continue, and I'm actually going to add that manually. So first name, sub account first name is actually, I'm creating a sub account for an actual account which is a school. Currently I am using my personal email. You can change the email later on. Business name is we are launching a complete GoHighLevel course that actually hasn't been launched by anyone else because it's very detailed course, consists of each and every feature. So module 1 is actually account setup, and then profile section, calendars, contacts, websites and funnels, marketing, membership and courses, payments, review management, reporting, pipeline and opportunities, automations, conversational AI, voice AI, integrations, snapshots, and also it consists of bonuses, which is actually 5+ snapshots for different industries. We will also be giving away one free funnel every week, and also one website after every 15 days, and also tutorials on all the new features. So if you are willing to join, please go to description and join our wait list, and we will be actually sending you details. Thank you so much. School. So let me go to, it's actually boys high school. So I have selected boys high school, and then I'm adding the phone number and address is, I have added the address and then city and then state and then country, zip code and website and time zone, which is GMT +5. Let me find it. GMT +5. Yes, Asia Karachi, and then add sub account. Once you're switched to sub account, you can now actually uh, do different actions like adding users and adding logo, each and everything that we will actually cover that later in the next week.